In this video, I'll show you how to quickly create a professional flowchart using Napkin AI. To begin, I select the "By pasting my text" option from the main dashboard. I then paste in my process outline, using simple arrows to indicate the flow from the initial customer order to the final delivery or refund. After clicking the Generate icon, the AI starts creating visual suggestions on the left. I scroll through the initial results, but to narrow things down, I go to the category search bar and type in "Flowchart." This brings up a variety of structured layouts designed for process mapping. I explore the different styles, looking for a design that best represents my decision points and step-by-step logic. I choose a clear, horizontal layout that perfectly balances the information and visually separates the different outcomes. With the flowchart on my canvas, I can now preview the steps and head over to the Export Visual menu on the right. I take a look at the various customization options like colors and fonts to ensure everything looks polished and professional. Finally, I click Download to save the file as a PNG, and my new flowchart is ready to use. And there you have it. That's the complete process of Napkin AI Flowchart.